In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit page titles on Squarespace. If you need to update the title of a page on your Squarespace website, the good news is that it's a very quick process. Whether you're correcting a typo, renaming a page to better match your content, or simply improving how your site is organized, you can make this change in just a few clicks. To get started, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to work on. Once you're inside your site dashboard, click on Website and then select Pages. This is where Squarespace stores and organizes all of the pages on your site, so it's the place you'll go anytime you want to make changes to page settings or structure. Now look through your list of pages and find the one you want to edit. Next to that page, click the gear icon. This opens the page settings where you can adjust different options related to that specific page. If you're new to Squarespace, this settings area is useful because it gives you control over key details without needing to edit the page content itself. Once the settings window opens, you'll see the page title text box. This is the field that controls the title of the page. Simply click into that box and edit the existing text to whatever you want the new page title to be. Take a moment to make sure the wording is clear and consistent with the rest of your site. A clean, accurate page title can make your navigation easier to understand for visitors. After you've updated the title, click Save. That's it. Your page title has now been changed. If you don't see the update right away, give the page a quick refresh or return to your pages list to confirm the new title is showing correctly. It's also a good idea to double-check that you edited the correct page, especially if you have multiple pages with similar names. And that's all there is to it. Editing page titles on Squarespace is simple, fast, and something you can do anytime you need to keep your website organized and up to date.